Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all my magnet collection. Of course, so we have here first our Santo Niño from Cebu City, Philippines. Next is Caballer Sumer, Saint-Tropez, Paris, Venice, Italy, Greece, Louvre, and Paris. Abaye d'Automne from our pilgrimage last time with our Filipino community in Monaco, Tunisia, and Col de la Bonette, Mandelieu, which we are always because the boat is there. Cannes, so I got it from Cannes, of course. Cannes, which is near to Mandelieu. Santa Margherita, Italy, I got it last year. San Remo, Italy. Portofino. So this is our trip to Italy last summer. And of course the Alacio is in Italy as well. And we have here Monaco, Cannes, Saint-Tropez, Nice, Côte d'Azur. And we have another one from Philippines. Of course, I got it from Philippines last holiday. We have Montong. So as you can see a nice beaches in Montong. And another one from Philippines, Lapu-Lapu. So one of the tourist spot in Philippines. And we have another, I think I got it from Monaco. So Monaco, Saint-Tropez, Cannes, Nice, Montong, Monte Carlo, and Monaco. And we have Genova. So it's in Italy. When we went to Milan, so we stopped over in Genova just to have coffee there. So I got this magnet. And so we have Milano. So as I said earlier, when we went to Milan, we stopped over in Genova. And we have another Greece. So from the this magnet from one of my friend who works in Monaco but lives in Greece at Athens. So that's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot the big one. Is the biggest one. From Dubai. So when I went for a holiday to Philippines, so I took Fly Emirates Airlines. So of course we have to stop over in Dubai. So I got it from Dubai. So I got some for my Philippines also, for my family in Philippines also, and of course I got one for me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and more to come. So I hope to make another video when I have another collection, whenever I get a new magnet collection. Hopefully after summer, because as you know, I am working in the boat and we always go somewhere around south of France or Italy. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this magnet collection of mine's video. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be notified in my next video. So once again, this is Hana Liza. Hana Liza Vlogs, the Bistak, ang Bisayang Dako. Bye! See you in my next vlog.